How to fix Google Play Store when it won't open on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick on any Android phone. First open settings and now scroll down until you find here this one, apps, and then click apps and now type here Google Play, and here you will find it. Click Google Play Services and go to storage, clear cache, and then go to Google Play Store. And first thing you need to do here is to click clear data and click OK. And now go to right system settings and make sure it's enabled. Maybe you'll find it like that, and then just enable it. And that's it, your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Just restart your phone and try again, and don't forget like, and see you in the next video.